Preventive information. As it is said, precaution is better than cure. So, it is always good that the teachers have an understanding of preventive measures. Also, the parents should be informing their children about preventive measures so that they avoid getting in any illness or sickness because of the things that they can avoid. And there is enough knowledge and information regarding that illness so that the teachers can inform the students to stay away and avoid those sicknesses, as well as the parents can inform their children. Prevention against communicable diseases including H1N1, hepatitis, HIV and AIDS prevention education. There is a lot of information on pamphlets and also on the net. The teachers can always use those resources, and also sometimes such articles are also published in the newspapers. So there are lots and lots of resources where the teachers can have the understanding of preventive measures and also share that information with their students. Also, the parents can use these resources and inform their children about these measures, and the students will be very happy to follow those instructions because they are very careful at their young age to stay away from any sickness or disease. So there is a lot of material available in the form of pamphlets, in the form of online reports and articles in the newspapers, which the teachers can use in order to make the students aware of the preventive measures, because then in that case they will already have information and knowledge that how they can prevent a disease. The information about the disease is also important. They should know what the disease is and how it is caused. So sometimes the teachers can also take their students to hospitals and make it a field trip to make them realize how important it is to take preventive measures, because the sickness would be then too much for them to bear, and they will then come to realize how the patients are suffering from that disease and how they need to be careful. Guidance and counseling for adolescent students on puberty issues. Also, sometimes it has been noticed that the parents do not provide enough information when the children are facing puberty and they are becoming adolescent. Sometimes the parents, they feel shy to discuss these issues with their children. So it is a good practice if the teachers, they inform their students about adolescent issues, and the students, they face the class and experience adolescence with confidence and do not feel ashamed about anything. They are confident and they are healthy people, and they know and they are aware of all the issues which are related to adolescence. Along with that, the most important thing is the information that carries all the anti-drug and anti-tobacco education. So, because from a very young age, sometimes it is noticed that children, they get involved in smoking and use of drugs. So, anti-drug and anti-tobacco education should be a part of curriculum in the schools. Along with that, but parents should also cooperate with the school authorities and inform their children about the causes of illnesses that are there because of the use of drugs and tobacco. Healthy food, balanced diet and clean drinking water. The parents should provide healthy food, clean drinking water and balanced diet to the children. Also in the schools, the canteen should be monitored by some teacher who has the ability to check whether clean water is being provided to the students and also balanced food is being given to them. So in that way, the prevention will be made possible and there will be less possibility of any sickness or illness caused to the students, and that will provide a very healthy environment to the school.